Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video of the interview questions. So in this video we will be discussing about what is a wrapper class, what does AutoBoxing mean and what does unboxing means. So let us first start with what is a wrapper class. So the wrapper class in Java provides the mechanism to convert primitive into object and object into primitive. In other words, you can say like the wrapper class is being used for wrapping a primitive value into a wrapper class object. Now, why we use this wrapper class? So the wrapper class are used to convert any data type into an object. So the primitive data types are not objects in Java. They do not belong to any class. Rather, they are defined in the language itself. But sometimes it is required to convert the data types into objects in Java language. And so for that we make the use of wrapper classes in Java. Another useful method is the toString method, which is used to convert the wrapper objects to strings. That is, we can convert any wrapper object to string type. Now let us go for a code snippet where we can find the exact logic. So here you can see inside the SOP class we are having an integer object that is storing 100 in the num variable. Again in the string variable temp we can find the num variable is being converted to string type using the toString method. After that we can find the length of the num variable, that is temp.length. So here first we are storing the data as integer type. After that we are converting it to string type. Then we are finding the length of that. So here the output will be 3 as 100. So it is of length 3 only. Now let us go for the next concept, that is what is AutoBoxing. So what does AutoBoxing mean? In AutoBoxing, the Java compiler automatically converts primitive types into their corresponding wrapper class objects. For example, here you can see int a equal to 0117. So a is of primitive type. After that, we are storing that primitive type in a wrapper class object named as temp. So here you can see integer temp wrapper class object which is storing the primitive type. So this is known as AutoBoxing. Now let us go for the next concept, that is what is unboxing. So in unboxing, the Java compiler automatically converts the wrapper class objects into their corresponding primitive types. For example, here you can see the reciprocal of AutoBoxing. There we were making a primitive type stored in a wrapper class object. Here we are storing a wrapper class object into a primitive type. So integer a, that is a wrapper class object which is storing 0117. After that, in a primitive type variable, that is temp, we are storing the wrapper class object. So this is known as unboxing. So this is all about what is a wrapper class, what is AutoBoxing and what is unboxing. So in the next video we will be discussing more about interview questions. So till then, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you are having any sort of questions, then drop the questions in the comment section. Thank you.